Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, my first video to be uploaded. So today I'll be making a hot chili sauce. So first of all, you just have to make sure that you've chopped your onions and your green chilies aside. Secondly, you're gonna pour your chopped onions in preheated oil. You stir it for a maximum of 2 minutes, and then that's when you're gonna pour your green chilies, and then you stir it for maximum of 10 minutes until to brownish color. Just continue stirring until you reach the texture which you like your hot chili to be add, and then finally you're gonna add your spices all at once. Remember that you add all the spices all at once. Finally, you're gonna add your vinegar, and hula, you have your hot chili sauce all to yourself and your family.